Everyone, welcome to Plants and Politics. So DC District Court Judge James Boasberg, I believe is how you pronounce it, he just spanked pro-Trump attorneys in court on Monday. So here's the deal. Judge Boasberg presided over a lawsuit that had been filed by a group called the Wisconsin Voters Alliance. Plus, there were numerous Republican lawmakers who were involved in filing it. And the judge described the lawsuit as, quote, bold in his opinion. However, if you read the opinion, it becomes very apparent that Boasberg did not mean that as a compliment. Not only did he deny the request to stop Biden's vote certification, but he actually called their lawsuit laughable. So Boasberg's opinion stated in part, quote, in addition to being filed on behalf of plaintiffs without standing and, at least as to the state defendants, in the wrong court and with no effort to even serve their adversaries, the suit rests on a fundamental and obvious misreading of the Constitution. It would be risible were its target not so grave, the undermining of a democratic election for President of the United States. So the judge also said he's going to consider whether or not to seek disciplinary action against the plaintiff's attorneys. He stated also, quote, courts are not instruments through which parties engage in such gamesmanship or symbolic political gestures. As a result, at the conclusion of this litigation, the court will determine whether to issue an order to show cause why this matter should not be referred to its Committee on Grievances for potential discipline of plaintiffs' counsel. So, yeah, it did not go over well. Did not go well. I think we're now over 60 cases that they have lost. They won only one, to my knowledge, and that was really just, I believe, some procedural matter, or, it was nothing of significance that made any difference. But they have now lost over 60 cases. This is pathetic, and it should be so embarrassing that they can't make a legitimate legal argument, that they have absolutely no evidence to bring before a judge that has even made a judge consider or call for more information or to halt Biden's certification or inauguration. They have nothing. Almost every judge has written opinions like this, laughing them out of court, essentially, saying, you're clowns, you don't know what you're talking about, you don't have any real evidence, and you're wasting my time. And a couple of them now, including this judge, are saying, maybe we need to take action against these attorneys because they know better. They know that they shouldn't be wasting the court's time like this, and they clearly are just throwing everything against the wall to see what sticks, and they're making a mockery of the judicial system. And they're taking up the court's time when there are real cases, when there are important matters and provable complaints, legitimate cases and evidence that these judges need to see involving murder, rape, child abuse, things that actually matter and are legitimate. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching and listening. Take care, and I will talk with you soon.